Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine at home, doing your homework. Okay, today our subject is English. Poem 5. Open a book. See students, we have started revision of poem 5. Okay, and in the last lecture I have revised hard words, meanings and rhyming words. Okay, so again we will do that, and we will do revision of FB, TF and question answers. Okay children, we will revise it. Understood what we have to do? Revision. Yes. So, are you ready to do revision? Yes, you are fine at home, no? Studying and learning things. See children, you are to learn this poem. Yes. So now, first what we will do? Reading of the poem, hard words, meaning, rhyming words, fill in the blanks, true or false and question answers. First, we will do warm up exercises, then we will do reading also. Understood what we have to do? Yes. So those children who have not seen last lecture can also read this. Yes. Can also learn from this and understand it. Okay? So, are you ready for this? Reading of the poem. First we will read the poem. Okay? I have explained in the last lecture, but today also I will explain it in short. Meanings, rhyming words. You know rhyming words? The words which are same in sound. Then fill in the blanks, true or false and question answers. Okay children? So you all are ready for this? Yes. Okay. So now we will start. See, chapter 5, it is a poem. Name is Open a Book. You have to open a book. Means when you read a book, what it happens, that is in the poem. So this we have done. Warm up. Tick what you like most about a storybook. I told you this. I say you all have done this. Okay? Whatever part you like in the story, in the book, storybook, you can tick here. Okay? So now, number B. Make 6 words from this word. What we have to do? 6 words you have to make. Make 6 words from this word. 1 word is only given. In that, using that letters, you have to make words. 1 has been done for you. 1 is already done. So, STORYBOOK. All these are letters. 3 O are there. Okay. So, number 1. Roots. 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 There is the roots. Okay. Number 2. Toy. See, I have written toy. See, we have taken letter TOY. So the word becomes TOY. Toy. 3 letters we took from storybook. Okay. Number 3 is boot. 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 See here. B. Then there are 2 O I have taken and T. BOOT. Boot. Number 4 is rob. See, can you find? R is there. O and B. R, O, B. Rob. Number 5 is try. T-R-Y. See, there is T-R-Y. Try. Number 6. Number 6 is also there. S-T-O-R-K. Stork. S-T-O-R-K. Stork. Okay, children? Yes. Now, hard words. I had explained you last lecture. First you see the picture. There are children opening a book. See? Yes. And there are, see here there a picture. There are different places. Different peoples are also there. Can you see? Vehicles, trees. Yes, all is there. And see, here is a book. It is a red color book. Okay? Number 1, hard words. These words you have to learn. O-P-E-N. Open. Number 2, book. B-O-O-K. Book. Number 3 is find. F-I-N-D. Find. Number 4, people. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Number 5, places. P-L-A-C-E-S. Places. Number 6. See here there are different people. Here wondrous world. And see here also. See these 3 picture. Okay, see where I am showing you. See the picture. There is a book and places and people and greenery is there. World is there shown here. Okay. Number 6. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Number 7. Anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. Number 8. Share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Number 9. Wondrous. W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S. Wondrous. Number 10 is worlds. W-O-R-L-D-S. Worlds. Okay, children? Now I hope you all have understood this. See, I will tell you, take test also, okay? So then, learn these hard words. Learn their spelling. Learn their pronunciation. How we have to speak that word. Pronunciation. Okay, children? How you have to pronounce the word, that also you learn. Okay? And learn the spelling. Yes. Now see, reading. This is a book. Poem. I am reading first. Okay? Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous worlds you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I will read to you. Okay children, see I have read the poem. Now I will explain you so that those who have not understand can understand it. Open a book means poet is telling that you open a book. What we will find in the book? Open a book means you open a story book, any book, and you can read it. If you will read, then what you will find in that? If you read, you will see pictures, then what you will find? And you will find people and places of every kind. Poet is telling that you will find different kinds of people, types of people, okay, different places. Yes, so what you will find in the book? People and places of every kind, okay. Now see, open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. Yes, see, whenever you open a book, read it, see the picture, what you will find? You can be anything, you can dream anything that you want to be. You can also be, yes, you can be. If you read a book, you get knowledge, you can be anything. Anything means whatever you want to become, you can be. But for that you have to read a book. Understood? Yes. See, many times I would make this poem. Okay? Read this poem and explained you. Now see here. Open a book. Open a book and you can share. See, wondrous words you find in there. See here. This is a page of a book. I have taken the book page. See, in that there is a picture. See here, there is a snake, there is an owl, there is a branch of a tree. So this I came to know when I opened a book. Okay? So I can share the wondrous world. See, I can show also to you that there is a wondrous word I have found in the book. You find in there. Yes, you can share it with others. Open a book and you can share wondrous words you find in there. There is a beautiful word in it and you can share it. Whatever you find in the book. Okay children? Have you understood? Yes. Now see here. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I will read to you. Yes, what poet is telling? First you open a book and you will read it. I will also open a book and you also open your book. If you can find whatever you find there, you can tell me. And whatever I will find, I will tell to you. So this way we can share our ideas. Okay? So have you understood this poem? Very good. So once again we will read it so that it will be easy for you to read. Okay? Yes, reading. Only reading. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous worlds you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I will read to you. Now I hope you all have understood. You also know how to read the poem. Okay, children? So now meanings. Number one is kind. I had explained you last lecture. Kind, K-I-N-D, kind. Type, T-Y-P-E, type. Kind, type. Number two is wondrous. W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S, wondrous, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Okay? Rhyming words, find, kind. F-I-N-D, find. K-I-N-D, kind. Find, kind. Now see. This is your revision only, so you have to only read. Okay, fill in the blanks. Answers are there only. Okay, open a book. Open a book. See, open a B-O-O-K, book. Number two is you will find people and places of every kind. Places. See where you have to fill this? P-L-A-C-E-S, places. See, this is revision. So I have given the answers also. Okay, children, those who have not written can write. You already written in your fair book. Okay, children. Number three is you can be anything that you want to be. See your want. W-A-N-T, want. Okay. Number four is you can share wondrous worlds. W-O-R-L-D-S, worlds. Number five is you read to me and I will read to you. See, there is a blank. So I have filled it. This is revision. No? So for that only you can copy it in your book if you like. If you have not written. Okay. Number one is open a book. Number two is you will find people and places of every kind. Number three, you can be anything that you want to be. See, there is a want. See, I am going to ask you this FB also, so learn it. Okay, poem 5FB. Number 4, you can share wondrous worlds. WORLDS, worlds. Number 5, you read to me and I will read to you. Okay, children, so I hope you all have done this. Yes, you have done, no? Revision also. You have completed your fair book also. So learn these spellings. You must be knowing the fill in the blanks, but the spelling also is important. Okay? Understood? See number 1 again. Open a book. B-O-O-K, book. Number 2 is you will find people and places of every kind. Number 3 is you can be anything that you want to be. Number 4 is you can share wondrous worlds. Number 5, you read to me and I will read to you. Okay, children, so you all have learned this fill in the blanks. Now true or false. See, this true or false is given in your textbook. These are textual, okay? So true, I have explained you that those sentences which is correct are true and those sentences which are wrong are false. Okay? Number 1. When you open a book, see, read it properly. When you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. Same is same kind? No, it is different kind. So that answer is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Number 2 is you can be anything. You can be anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. You. Y-O-U. You want. W-A-N-T. Want to be. B-E-B. If you close a book. See, there is close. Spelling is close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. So that answer is false. See, this sentence is false. Yes, we cannot find anything when you close a book. We should open a book. Understood, students? Yes, see, read again. Number 2. You can be anything you want to be if you close a book. Sentence is false. Okay. Now number 3. See. When. W-H-E-N. When. You. Y-O-U. You open. O-P-E-N. Open a book. When you open a book. Yes, we are opening a book. What? You will find a beautiful world in it. You will find a beautiful world in it. Understood, children? Number 3 is when you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. That is true. T-R-U-E. True. See, don't write true or false spelling. Okay? Wrong. Write true or false spelling correct. Number 4 is the line, L-I-N-E, line, open a book. O-P-E-N, open a book. B-O-O-K, book, appears. A-P-P-E-A-R-S, appears 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3 times. T-I-M-E-S, times in the poem. So this sentence is false. How many times it appears? Yes, it appears 4 times, not 3 times. Have you read the poem now? Yes, so it is 4 times it appears, not 3 times. Understood, children? So now again we will do. See, number 1, true or false. Number 1, when you open a book, see, this is revision, so we will revise it, okay, so that you will be able to know. Number 1, when you open a book, you will find people and places of same kind. False. Number 2, you can be anything you want to be if you close a book. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Number 3, when you open a book, you will find a beautiful world in it. That is true. Number 4, the line open a book appears, comes 3 times in the poem. That is false. Okay, children? Now see question answers. Question answers. Okay? Answers this question. You have to answer the question. Question number 1 is what? First you read the question, understand it, and then give answer. Read the question properly. Okay? Question 1. What can you do with the wondrous words that you find in a book? That is a question mark. Yes, answer 1 is you can share the wondrous words. You can share the wondrous words with others. What you can do with the wondrous words you find in a book? Yes, you can share the wondrous words with others. See here, answer 1. You can share the wondrous words with others. Okay, children? Now question number 2. What? W-H-A-T. What does? D-O-E-S. Does the poet ask the reader to do in the end? What does the poet ask the reader to do in the end? See, listen properly in the end what poet asks. Okay? What does the poet ask the reader? Reader means who is reading the book. To do in the end. What does the poet ask the reader to do in the end? Yes, answer 2 is the poet asks the reader to read the book. See, again we will do question 2. What? W-H-A-T. What does? D-O-E-S. Does the? T-H-E. The poet. P-O-E-T. Poet ask. A-S-K. Ask the reader. R-E-A-D-E-R. Reader to. T-O-to. Do. I-N. In the end. Answer 2 is the. See, capital T. T-H-E. The poet ask. A-S-K-S. Ask the reader. R-E-A-D-E-R. Reader to. T-O-to. Read the book. The poet asks the reader to read the book. Okay, children, you all have understood? See again question 2 I am reading. Learn well, question answers. Okay, question number 2, those who have not understood this, listen. What does the poet ask the reader, R-E-A-D-E-R, reader, to do in the end? Answer 2 is the poet asks the reader to read the book. After finish the sentence, then you have to put full stop. First letter is always capital. Okay, children, I hope now you all have understood poem 5. You all have done revision also. You have completed in your fair book also. Okay, children, so be safe at home. Do your work properly. Okay, thank you all.